Let's say you want the Leatherman signal to be a bit more optimized for other tasks without any permanent mods. Well, you can do just that thanks to 3D printed accessories that replace the stock attachments. Since the signal already has the hammer and a 1/4 inch bit cutout, it's already halfway there for a more urban and practical setup. Personally, I was interested in a way to carry more extra bits on board. Then I found this set on Etsy, which I will link down below as well. He sells a variety of stuff and even tier levels for the signal, as in, let's say you want just one adapter. Alas, I've got here the complete signal kit, which will replace both the sharpener and the fire rod / whistle attachment. I even got thumb stud inserts for the main blade as a bonus. First up, here's the one that will replace the sharpener. It holds one extra bit. As you will see, the fitment is perfect and tight since the adapters use the installed bits as structural elements. Now the second adapter, besides the Leatherman bit storage, it offers also a Victorinox tweezer slot. Installation is really easy since they are so well built. Mind you, only the one that replaces the sharpener, you need to install it first without the bit inside, open the blade and then install the bit. As an extra safety feature, the blade will stop the bit from falling even let's say you drop the multi-tool. But they are so tight in there that you'll never lose them as it is. There are no rough edges and they match the signal perfectly. So yeah, now we have in total 3 bits on board the signal and the tweezers as a bonus, overall a more urban EDC approach. I think there is even more variation of this stuff out there, so if you found more, please drop me a comment. See you in the next one.